Lo, nagkaon na peso, pinakadako. Pinakadako.
Palit ka na?
Kontrol na.
Palit ka na? Ha?
Kung palit ka na kakulbi.
Meron mo na po.
Wala ko na nakul. Kahit magagawad siya, nagkukuha na. Mantapok.
Hindi parang mga sabing.
Hindi sa akin ang kiray. Ikaw ba meron sa pulis? Bikers na pulis.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Paulo Z. Duterte.
And ladies and gentlemen, let's proceed to the Food and Bike Patrol Unit of PCPO. The FPVU increased police visibility in all our areas, where patrol vehicles cannot reach along the street roads of the barangay. Meanwhile, patrol personnel enhance police visibility in downtown areas and are expected to visit establishments along their beat.
The Traffic Enforcement Unit, the development of the city into highly urbanized area has attached numerous visitors and investors, leading to significant traffic congestion, which has become a major concern. As a traffic police, personnel of TEU regularly conduct road discipline and clearing operation, especially within the business central areas of the city. Vehicles parked on sidewalks, highways, and in no parking zones are issued with TOP citation, ticket, or zone in coordination with CCTMO. Other regulations under RA 4136 are also enforced to ensure the safety of motorists and pedestrians and to maintain the smooth flow of traffic.
Next, we have the Mobile Patrol Unit of DCPO. This unit is one of the auxiliary units of Davao City Police Office, tasked with providing police assistance. It has been assigned to undertake proactive measures against all forms of lawlessness operating within Davao City. Relatively, the unit has been tasked with conducting police visibility patrols in identified crime-prone and highly populated areas to prevent the occurrence of criminal activity.